Hello my shining stars. So today we are doing Learn and Solve Maths Class 5 by Children Voice Publications. Chapter 9 Measurements. In lower classes we studied about the measurement of length, mass or weight and capacity. In this class we shall study more about measurement. Let us first revise what we have learned so far. So warm up. The first one, filling the blanks. A part. 500 centimeter equals to dash meter. So 500 centimeter convert into meter, that is 5 meter divided by 100. Now B part, 8 meter, how many centimeter? 800. Now C part, 2000 gram, how many kg? Divided by 1000, that is 2 kg. Now D part, 5600 gram. Convert into kg and gram. So divided by 1000. So 5 kg 600 gram. Okay. So now E part, 9000 milliliter. Convert into liter. Divide by 1000. 9 liter. Now F part, 5 kilometer, how many meter? You know 1 kilometer 1000 meter. So 5 kilometer 5000 meter. Now the second one, add the following. So here meter and centimeter, just add centimeter. So you know very well how to do it. 5, 5, 10, 0, 1 here. This is 9. Add it. Now do B part, kg and gram. So here 0, 5, 5, 10, 0 here. 1 carry, 6, 5, 11 and 1, 12. 2 here. 1 carry, 6, 3, 9 and 1, 10, 0 and 1 carry, so 90 kg, 200 gram. Similarly, you can do C part, same. Now third question, subtract the following. You can try these sums. Now the fourth one, there was 525 liter and 550 milliliter water in 2 tanks. If 225 liter, 650 milliliter water is added to each of them, how much water is now there in both the tanks? So you can try this one. Measures of length. The basic unit of length is meter. Look at this table for higher and lower units of length. So here you can see thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, and then tenth, hundredth, thousand. You know very well. So now ones में हम लिखेंगे meter, and then here decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Kilometer is the biggest unit. So these are the higher units. This is the basic unit. And now these are the lower units. Decimeter, dm, centimeter and millimeter. So once again, basic unit meter, smaller units decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, and the higher units decameter, hectometer and kilometer. Now measure of length. The basic unit of length is meter. So now this one, look at the table for higher and lower units of length as I told you. So here see meter to, if we are going to meter to decimeter, so multiply by 10. 1 decimeter, how many centimeter? Multiply by 10. 1 centimeter, how many millimeter? Multiply by 10. 1 kilometer, how many hectometer? Into 10. Hectometer to decameter into 10. Decameter to meter into 10. But if we are going to means smaller to higher, then divide by, see, millimeter to centimeter, divide by 10. Centimeter to decimeter, divide by 10. Decimeter to meter, divide by 10. Like meter to decameter, divide by 10. Decameter to hectometer, divide by 10. And hectometer to kilometer, divide by 10. So you learn this table. This is very useful. Now using decimals to express the units of length, like 5 millimeter can be written as 5 millimeter को हम सेंटीमीटर में चेंज करेंगे. So divided by 10, 5 upon 10, 0.5 centimeter. Now 8 meter 40 centimeter can be written as 8.40 meter, because 40 centimeter divide by 100, so you will get 8.40 meter. See, 12 kilometer 500 meter can be written as 12.500 kilometer. Now unit conversions. 1 hectometer equals to 100 meter, 1 decameter equals to 10 meter, 1 kilometer 1000 meter, 1 meter 10 decimeter, 1 centimeter 10 millimeter, and 1 meter 1000 millimeter. So now expressing smaller units like 4 meter 50 centimeter, how we can convert into centimeter? So 1 meter 100 centimeter, so this becomes 400 plus 50, 450 centimeter. Now 6 meter 5 decimeter can be written as, 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter, so 6 into 10, 60 plus 5, 65 decimeter. Now 5 centimeter 7 millimeter can be written as 5 into 10 plus 7, 57 millimeter. Now conversion of the units of measuring length, conversion of a higher into a lower. See example 1, convert 4.3 hectometer to decimeter. So 1 hectometer equals to how many decimeter? You can see 10, 10, 10, 1000. So 1 hectometer equals to 1000 decimeter. So what to do? 4.3 into 1000 कर देंगे, that is 4300 decimeter. Now 6.5 meter to centimeter. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 6.5 into 100, 650 centimeter. The next is conversion of a lower into a higher unit. Like example to convert 8648 meter into kilometer. So 1 kilometer equals to 1000. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So divided by 1000. So 8.648 kilometer. Now assessment 1, question number 1, filling the blanks. Like 1 kilometer, how many centimeter? So just write it. Like 1 meter, how many decameter? You can try these one. The second one, convert like A part 2.6 kilometer into meter. So 1 kilometer 1000 meter. So 2.6 into 1000 meter. So this is 2600 meter. I hope remaining parts you can try. The third one, convert like here B part 23.4 meter into centimeter. So we know 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 23.4 meter, this is into 100. So that is 2340 centimeter. Now operation on units of length. Example 1, add 92 kilometer 338 meter, 78 kilometer and 605 meter, and 38 kilometer 840 meter. So what to do? Make the columns of kilometer and meter, write the numbers and then add it. Like simply we add the numbers. So this is the value. Now this example, subtract 342 kilometer 79 meter from 846 kilometer 98 meter. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So meter के units, जो meter के digits हैं, it should be 3, right? So here 98, so you will write 098, and 79 you will write 079. Now write the digits properly and then do the subtraction. This is the answer. Example 3, Suhail walks 3 kilometer 122 meter every day. How much does he walk in 4 days? So 1 day, this distance, 4 days, multiply by 4. So simple multiplication, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 kilometer 488 meter. Now assessment 2, question number 1, add the following. So like you can try these one. The second one, subtract, ये भी आप कर सकते हैं. Third में multiplication है, you can try this one also. Like the fourth question, Avinash is 1.8 meter tall, Sam is 196 centimeter tall. who is taller and by how much? Whenever we have to do comparison, unit must be same. Like this is in meter, this is in centimeter. So convert either both in meter or in centimeter. So 1.8 meter, how many centimeter? 180 centimeter, because 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 1.8 into 100, you will get 180 centimeter. So now compare which one is taller. Who is taller? Sam is taller. Sam is taller. And by how much? So 196 centimeter minus 180. So this is 16 centimeter. Okay. Now the fifth, you can try this one. The sixth, Isha bought 30 meter cloth for the curtains and Ruhi bought 22 meter 98 centimeter for the curtains. Who bought more cloth and by how much? So which one is greater? Isha bought more, और कितना ज़्यादा, तो you will find the difference, right? Next we are talking about measures of weight. In the metric system, the basic unit of weight is gram. When the measure of weight are put in descending order, we get the following place value table. Here the biggest unit of weight is kilogram and the smallest unit of weight is milligram. So using decimals to express the units of mass, like 4 milligram, how we can write 0.4 centigram. So first learn this table. 1 kg 1000 gram, 1 hectogram 100 gram, 1 decagram 10 gram, 1 gram equals to 10 decigram, 1 gram equals to 100 centigram, and 1 gram equals to 1000 milligram. So first of all, learn this table like we have done for the length. So here basic unit, this is the basic unit gram. So now these are the higher units and these are the lower units. So higher units here decagram, hectogram, kilogram. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So gram, decagram, hectogram and kilogram. And here we have 10, 100, 1000, decigram, centigram and milligram. And these are the short form. So here kilogram kg, hectogram hg, decagram dag, gram g, decigram dg, centigram cg and milligram mg, right? So see the next here. This is same as the like we have done for length, as I told you. So like this, if we are converting higher into lower units, multiply, and if we are converting lower into higher units, then divide. So 1 kg how many gram? 1000 gram. Like as I told you, 1 hectogram how many gram? 10, 10, 100 gram. Okay. So 1 kg how many hectogram? 10. 1 hectogram 10 decagram. 1 decagram how many gram? 10 gram, like this. So now conversion of the units of measuring weight. So the first one, conversion of higher into lower. Example 1, convert 0.57 kg into gram. So first write 1 kg how many gram? 1000 gram. So multiply by 1000, answer is 570 gram. The second is 4.82 kg into decigram. So decigram in 1 kg how many decigram? 10,000 decigram. So 10,000 से multiply करेंगे. This is the value. Now conversion of a lower into higher. Example 2, convert 9.62 decigram into hectogram. So you know 1 hectogram equals to 1000 decigram. तो decigram से हमें हेक्टो में जाना है, तो divide by 1000. This is the value. Now B part, 512.8 hectogram to kg. So 1 kg equals to 10 hectogram. So hectogram से kg में जाना है, तो divide by 10. So this is the value. Now operation on the units of weight. Example 1, Aram weighs 44 kg 500 gram and Ashi weighs 42 kg 550 gram. What is their total weight? So kg and gram, two columns we have to make, write the numbers and then just add the numbers. So this is the answer. Now this example, Vamika weighs 5.62 kg more than Kavya. If Vamika weight is 45 kg, find the weight of Kavya. It means 45 plus 5 kg, 620 gram. Okay, so because kg hai and gram would be in 3 digits, so you will write 620 here, right? So this is the answer. Now the next is third one. The weight of 5 books is 6.825 kg. What is the weight of one book? Express in gram. So what will you do? Weight of 5 books is this. So express in gram, 1 kg 1000 gram. So this is the value in gram. So weight of 1, it would be less. It means divide by 5. So 5 se divide kar denge. This is the answer. Now assessment 3, question number 1, convert. So here B part 12.12 kg into gram. So 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. So 12.12 multiplied by 1000. So what will you get? This much. This is the gram. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. The second one, convert, like 88.8 hectogram into kg. 1 kg equals to 10 hectogram. So hectogram se kg में जाना है, तो divide by 10. So this is 8.88 kg, right? Similarly, you can try third question, fourth, subtraction, you can do it. And like fifth one, Sambhav purchased 4.290 kg potatoes, 7.956 kg onion and 3.180 kg tomatoes. So calculate the total weight. So add all these. You can try this one. The next we are talking about measures of capacity. In the metric system, the basic unit of capacity is liter. So look at this table of higher and lower units. So this is the basic unit, ones, liter, tens, decaliter, hundreds, hectoliter, thousands, kiloliter. And this side, tenth, deciliter, hundredth, centiliter and thousandth, milliliter. So write in the short form, liter L, deciliter DL, centiliter CL, milliliter ML, decaliter DAL, hectoliter HL and kiloliter KL. These are the higher, these are the lower, as we have done in weights and length. So now the biggest unit is kiloliter and the smallest is milliliter. Now using decimals to express the units of capacity. So first see here unit conversion. 1 kiloliter, how many liter? 1000. 1 hectoliter, 100 liter. 1 decaliter, 10 liter. 1 liter, 10 deciliter. 1 liter, 100 centiliter. And 1 liter, 1000 milliliter. Now using decimals to express the units of capacity, 700 ml can be written as how? In liter. So divide by 1000. So this is 0.7 liter. 3 liter 350 milliliter can be written as 3.50 liter. Now 4 kiloliter 225 liter can be written as 4.225 kiloliter. Now expressing in smaller units, so 4.700 liter can be written as how? Multiply by 1000. This is 4700 milliliter. Now 14.126 kiloliter, how we can write in liter? Multiply by 1000. This is the value, right? Now conversion of units of measuring capacity, conversion of higher to lower. Example 1, convert 11.46 liter into milliliter, means multiply by 1000. So this is the value. B part 8.945 decaliter into deciliter. So decaliter, 1 decaliter, how many deciliter? 100. So multiply by 100. So this is the value. Now conversion of lower to higher. See, convert 92.5 liter into kiloliter. So divided by 1000. This is the value. And write the units always, okay? B part 12.7 decaliter to hectoliter. So divide by 10. This is the answer. Now operation on the units of capacity. Example 1. Add 10 kiloliter, 200 liter, 20 kiloliter, 850 liter, 32 kiloliter and 160 liter. Add कर देंगे and we will get the answer 63 kiloliter, 210 liter. Now example 2, a bathtub can contain 50 liter water in it. It has 24 liter 350 ml of water. How much more water can be put into it? और कितना पानी आ सकता है? It means total capacity minus already जितना है दोनों को minus कर देंगे. This is the answer. 25 liter 650 ml can be put in it. Now assessment 4, question number 1, convert here like A part 12.6 liter into milliliter. So multiply by 1000 milliliter. So what will you get? This is the answer. Okay. Similarly, second part you can do 0.285 deciliter into liter. So divided by 10. So 0.285 divided by 10. So this is 0.0285 liter. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. You can try third and fourth question. The fifth one, a milkman sold 11.68 liter milk on the first day, 16.365 liter on the second day and this much on the third day. How much did he sell during the 3 days? So total you can add all these quantity. Okay, first arrange into liter and milliliter. So like this, 11.68 liter. So 11.68 liter means 11.680. Then 16.365. Then 14.720. Add all these numbers, you will get the value. Now critical thinking, you can try experimental learning and one lab activity. You can try this one also. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us for more videos. Stay happy, stay blessed.